Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error, "Sorry, this application cannot run under a virtual machine." Chapter 1. How to fix "Sorry, this application cannot run under a virtual machine" from Registry Editor. To start, enter Regedit in the search box. Open the Registry Editor and click Yes. Now you are going to go to the path you see on the screen. After that, double-click on the System BIOS version value. Delete the current content and enter the text in NOBOX-1 in capital letters. Click OK. To apply this change, reboot the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 2. How to fix "Sorry, this application cannot run under a virtual machine" from terminal. To start, right-click on the Start menu and select Terminal Admin. After that, perform a scan on the file system, run sfc/scannow, press Enter. You will wait for this analysis to be completed. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.